Okay. I only want to watch this video, share this video. Only one more interesting thing need to about this native doctor. Nke ngo kpala nke threatening no ya ado amụma na egbu igwe. Nke threatening na mmiri ye buru nde Zion buru na evangelist Ebuka Obi singo kpala bushiga back to Lagos. You got to go. Now, another interesting thing need to about this native doctor. Remember na number one, na here establish go the fact that no that same native doctor wonye kpo J Park and then you work governor we Ghana Okpontu 3 dona Okpontu in Ngobala. You ought go. Now, I am further confirming to you now that this native doctor Afe Uchibeze, who a cousin brother to the governor, Governor Ulilanya. Now this native doctor, cousin brother Ulilanya from the same family. So now, it was shocked to now never know much. So the fact is that no Potakwa claim no reku on them go pala nine, no reku on them bishi nine. At the end of the day, it traces to the same family or extended family. So showing you that it is just it is confirming to you about Ifem Kublu before. I do my findings. I'm now confirm to you that this whole struggle about land grabbing from just 1, 2, 3 few families from into autonomous community. You want to go? Always in the portal from Alatia, man of friends in the Jegole. They don't really have land in that particular Anane. I am telling you. So now, this particular native doctor, who a cousin brother to Governor Ulilanya Ndimo, Afe Uchibeze, a cousin brother from the same family. So now that the puzzle has been unraveled, now that the puzzle is clear, are you now interested? Are you now still surprised or why? Oji akunenu na akutu na akunenu na akutu na akunenu na akutu mmiri ejiko eburu speaking the same language Olilanya na so go. Are you will expert here and there yawo information bia ye budget na table nde expert hanchali na dissect ya dissect ya wuputa that message zorezo nime that information. So only if that onyago no na akunenu na akutu see ite n'oku na confirm ono na between yesterday and today na mmiri zore buru anya na ite ejewala mba mmiri buzo buru ite ejewala oshoruzi ite puo ruo n'odo mmiri buru agbo ejewala because update ya dazi apụta update ya cast go. And let me tell you one thing again you don't know. I'm telling you. Of course, before. Okay, for a protest, protest from few families out of one community. Community will more than how many families? Let's say that community will over 200 families, or we will about 5, 6 families with a portal, all this kind of reactions. But because now with somebody on a media, you know, I appear go. The idea that Nenolo Hana media need monopoly to dictate direction people naga. That was exactly what we met when we came by Bogota the media. We met the situation whereby now information depended on how JPAC and his group of friends decided to design that information. That was exactly what was happening before the young sheriff Zodoka Bogota. Na media. Now no guy Bogota na media. If I melu na yi dos as a balance ha. Wait sir that foundation hanwelu no hanwa ya that pointed direction ebe anaga. Those days it used to be onyeme hagwa owolu media threaten I will drag you to the media. Mmebuje ebubata na social media. I maybe that one of course. So ndem mmadụ shopụta na social media is not a law court number 1. Ndem mmadụ shopụta na social media is not and can never be a tool for mother that fight or So the only advantage ha feel na ha nwere one of them nọ na media nwere ike inyeru ha aka blow the thing out of proportion. Odoka asị nọ ndị mbishi niile wo ha kwekọtara wee kwuo na Evangelist Ebuka Obi bịa mara ha na ha. Why on the ground? That is false. Jee watch that protest emere ụbọchị a posturu JPAC posturu ye. You will find out that out of mmadụ 10 kwuru okwu that about 8 people see from Ntu autonomous community. How can it be a coincidence? Then only about 2 people ejezikota for Sugodeva. So you find out that now out of 8 people who there, see from the same autonomous community. Not only 2 people, Kejezikota, 2 or 3 people Kejezikota, when Casino Wonya Latia, which Nimenekwa, if Unya Hemuhana there. If a very far mind game, call a little Kayasino, the same people, or the same people. Now, a lot of information, do concrete, made you prove this fact in Meku, that not only few families from Untu who have group feel no was another thing Hajenata different from Unke Hana government reach before. Now ane but case ye uneje ka mado go through the right channel. Abangona in Zion, and will plenty. Evangelist Ebuka Obi out of the plenty not in the house can still choose to put hand in the pocket and give you people a good cigar, they go mania, unewolu, jetashiosa. Man, unu deba ha unu ye me nike agunu na ofonye aye simulora. Unu deba ha na mbishi container of how many autonomous community? How can it be only few families from just one autonomous community? We speak here the interest of the remaining other autonomous communities. Although possible, especially when you are dealing with the elite, people who are more wiser, intellectuals, it cannot work. So we have ended up in dismantling these lies. Remember, other native doctors also join Rufonyenka, at the end of the day, we have not seen others. We only see Shibeze speaking the mind of others. So now you have seen the same guy, but JPAC na governor, wejena umwapon to 3 no go 100 years, as no 600 years. Ebeje weje nguchi yinile kumbi okuni na biona mezu. The same guy is a cousin brother to the governor, to Mr. Governor, Odilanya Ndimo. A cousin brother from the same family. So it's a lie. All the same people. Anywhere you see them, not the same people. The same format. The same story. From the same few clique of people.